welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited like to be on YouTube. But anyway, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know the title. We are getting ready for Valentine's Day, yeah? And I'm going to a little trippy trip. I'm not gonna show you guys until y'all see the vlog. But so today, anyway, I'm getting my lashes done. And I was supposed to been take out my hair a minute ago because this hair is getting old. Let me see if I can show y'all. I just did my baby hairs because we're taking content. I'm wrapping my hair, but as soon as I get home, I am taking these braids out because tomorrow I gotta get my hair done, braided again. I have to wash it, condition my hair. So anyway, today, I'm getting my lashes done. Y'all, we are here. So Miss Nyjah, hey boo.
Hello, darling.
Y'all see this wall? Oh.
Are you ready?
Ooh. The lashes is done.
They look so good.
The lashes is done, you guys. She said she's gonna give me a discount code for y'all.
That's my girl. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, period.
Please make sure you clean your lashes if you want them to last. You got the cleanser, the brush that you'll be cleaning them with, and the brushes you'll be brushing them with.
My hair, got the blend. Beauty supply store. All right, y'all see my hair right now? Y'all see my hair? I just came back from the beauty supply store. I am about to cut my hair off. I'm about to take out my hair.
Begin to thank God. Begin to appreciate Him. We are not entitled to anything. Lift up your voice and begin to appreciate God. Thank Him. Thank Him from the...
It was very short.
What the hell happened, man?
Wanda.
Can you pipe down, yo?
Y'all, guess what time it is right now? Vicky, you want to say it? Guess what time? It's 6:28 a.m. This is Sunday morning, you guys. Still doing my hair. Almost done.
You know how women are.
I'm done. Woo! The time is 6:51. Ate that.
Now what I like
Ooh, this is so nice. So good. So I got green tea right here. And I got like my little herb tea in here, and I got a little bit of lemon. So I try to drink this every morning or every night. Oh, this also helps with your skin. A little tip. Hold on. Well, I ordered some stuff from PLT last minute because I honestly don't even know. We're gonna do a little try on haul today. I tried one thing on and I was honestly really disappointed, so I'm not really like high hopes on anything that I put on. Cause me and PLT, we gonna be fighting one day. So anyway, I got these little sweats. This little set actually is this jacket. I'm gonna put it on the screen too so you guys are aware. This is what it looks like. And I got the pants with it, so I'm gonna try it on. This is the top. I gotta hurry up before my nail appointment. And this is the pants. I will say it's really soft, so I'm about to put this on. Let me put this on real quick. Bro, what? First off, this is a medium top and a large bottom. I bought a large because sometimes my pants do be large, but I am not feeling this at all. It's really, really soft. Let me show y'all the bottom, because what the bottom looks like. What do I look like? And it's so big. I don't like this at all. So, let me tell you a little background story about this dress. This was to be my Valentine's dress, and this is what I ordered. That is what I ordered, and this is what I got. Like, I hate this dress so much. I ordered a long sleeve dress. Where's the long sleeve? I put my hair in front because I don't want you guys to see my top area, because I don't like this at all. But this is what I had ordered, remember, and this is what I got. So there's not even no low back. There's no low back going on. There's no long sleeve. There's just, it's not even the bright red that I wanted. This is a burgundy. Okay, next. A medium, and this is a large. And yeah, I feel like I needed more room. The model was giving on the website, but honestly, it just doesn't fit my body type. I don't really like it. So got like some glasses and some shades. I really thought it was gonna look right. I actually tried this one on before on camera, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. This is what I ordered. This is both. These are both of them. This is what I ordered, and this is what I got. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I've been looking for really black shades for the longest, and I feel like I'm actually really sold on my YSL ones. I haven't ordered those yet because I was just like, I want to make sure I get the right all black shades and what I like and the shape that I want. So I'm kind of like trying other shapes from other places to know which designer shades I want, if that makes sense. So I'm trying this on, and I don't like this. I feel like I'm just like in a disco match. Like, it just doesn't give my face shape. And y'all need to know your face shape because, I don't know, I don't like it. I should be returning everything that y'all seeing right now because I'm gonna ask my sister if she wants the green set first. But if she doesn't want it, I'm returning it. I don't like any of my purchase. And I'm a little bit panicking because I don't know what to wear for B-Day. Well, I know what to wear for B-Day. I know what to wear for B-Day. I just don't know what to wear for my trip coming up. And it's like, I'm not impressed. So I got this other one. The one I showed you guys already. This is what I ordered. This is another one that I ordered, and this is what I got. You see, it was kind of cute. But this is kind of like another replica of... This reminds me of Loewe. And I've been trying to get my hands on denim on Loewe, and like, it keeps getting sold out every time. So I think if I'm going to get shades that have these type of tint, I might have to get the Tom Ford ones. Because they just look better, fuller, you know. This has a weird shape to me that I don't like. So this is a no. So I'll see you guys when I am at the nail store Oh, by the way, yo, my hair is eating. You can't tell me nothing that this hair eats. Wanda, Vicky, y'all ate this. You guys ate this hair. Yeah, I'm gonna put all her information, her Instagram, down in the description below. Please go and support my girl because she did the mess out these braids. So guys, I'm at the nail salon. And I got OB bag with me. Doing my nails. Doing my feet. My nails done. I see my toes. Toes are so cute. Let's do my nails. I'm gonna pick the color, y'all. Alright. Eyebrows done, nails done, toes done. I'm gonna see y'all in the car. But I am done. I'm ready for V-Day. I am ready for V-Day. Even though my dress didn't come out, the dress that I wanted to wear for my trip, for Valentine's Day trip, because we have a Valentine's Day dinner, we have a Valentine's Day trip. So I'm getting all that ready. So my outfit, what I'm wearing for the actual Valentine's Day is set. But now for the trip, girl, look, my hair is done. My lashes are done. My eyebrows is looking really good. I'm thinking about getting a facial for my skin, because what is that and what is that? These are all new ones too. But I think I know why. I switched something in my routine. And then my nails are done. My toes are done. So I am super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really love y'all support. It feels like I'm a big sister online. I got older sisters and younger sisters and older brothers and younger brothers. Like, it's really nice to talk to you guys. So I'm so grateful for the views and the support that you guys have been showing me. And I love the DMs. Like, I love when y'all just randomly just DM me and talk about a video I've been posted. Like, it really means a lot. Like, one of the, like, the other day, a subscriber DM'd me and was just saying good things about, like, my Nigerian vlog. So I love when y'all do that. Like, it's just, it shows me that y'all really love my videos, and when y'all give me thumbs up, subscribe, send to a friend to subscribe. Like, you know, like, this is a journey, and I really love it, and I'm rapping. But anyway, it's nice to spend my maintenance day Valentine edition with you guys. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned to the next video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. See y'all in my next video. Bye.